Hi! Today's lesson is about tricks. Yes, about tricks. We all like tricks and shortcuts because they help us to work faster and reduce tedious activities to simple things. And do you know which of the computer devices that I often use for shortcuts regularly? The keyboard. Let me tell you about my friend, Tade. Tade got a job as a typist at a newspaper company. He took the job because he had mastered the various typing skills and spent many hours practicing. Tade can now type very fast, and this convinced him to take the job, but unknowingly to him, there was something else he was yet to know. What could that be? I'll tell you. Tade resumed work and found out the first day at work that he could not use shortcuts. Every other typist at work completed the number of pages required, but Tade barely reached half. Thanks to Bola, who saw how worrisome Tade was and decided to help him to master keyboard shortcuts to help him type faster and accurately. Now that we have learned in this lesson that we can use keyboard shortcuts to work faster and accurately on the computer, I know you must be eager to know what these shortcuts are. Stay tuned for the next lesson where I will show them to you. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye.